At 10:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elk Mound, or 7 miles east of Menominee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elk Mound around 10:25 p.m. Altoona and Lake Holly around 10:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Eau Claire, Chippewa Falls, Lake Wissota, and Cadott. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northwestern and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northwestern and west central Wisconsin. Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, eastern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin.